She's been sweeping awards at home. Her film Baji Rao Mastani has topped Shah Rukh's Dilwale, but she's still human. Deepika Padukone is nervous, and it's got to do with a stint in Hollywood. Pooja Talwar is with her.
Well, they say time and tide waits for no one, but there's someone here with me who's defied both, having the time of your life and riding the popularity wave. True that.
You can't say that and then shove the mic in my mouth, in my face.
But how does it feel?
It feels great. It feels like hard work is paying off, you know, and it's obviously a happy feeling.
In Deepika's case, what do we keep a watch on?
I think look out for some exciting things coming up in the next couple of months.
Like the X Factor that everybody wants to know about.
Yes. So yeah, that's definitely happening, and I leave next week. In fact, I start filming next week, and something that I'm very, very excited about, but also very, very nervous because, you know, I'm going to be moving out of my comfort zone and working with very, very new people and in a completely new setup. So I'm very excited, but I'm also very nervous.
And also a very unlikely choice for a top star in the Indian film industry, a Vin Diesel movie.
Why not? I mean, yeah, I think that's what I've always looked forward to, you know, to do different things, to keep challenging myself. And I think this was that opportunity, and you know, I think it'll be just fun to explore something more now.
I think the time is right now, because earlier you had said no to a whole lot of offers.
I guess, I mean, if it's all worked out, I guess it is. You know, sometimes you try everything in your capacity to make things work, and they don't. And sometimes you don't really have to try much, and it all kind of falls into your lap. And I think this was one of those moments. And yeah, so I mean, I don't want to say much, but yes, very, very exciting times ahead for me. And I'm like I said, while I'm very, very excited, I'm also very nervous. But it'll be fun, you know. And I hope that I do well, and I hope that I can make everyone proud.